Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add smooth movement to your graphics with Motion Blur in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, import your graphic into Adobe Premiere Pro. Drag and drop your graphic onto the timeline to get started. Next, go to the Effects panel and search for the Transform effect. Drag and drop the Transform effect onto your graphic layer in the timeline. In the Effects Controls panel, you'll see the Transform effect settings. To add Motion Blur, uncheck Use Composition's Shutter Angle and set the shutter angle to 360 degrees. This will create a smooth motion blur effect. Let's animate the graphic to see the motion blur in action. Set keyframes for position, click the stopwatch icon next to position and move the graphic off the screen. Move the timeline forward 15 frames and center the graphic. Highlight the keyframes and right-click. Choose Temporal Interpolation and Ease In. Expand the arrow under position and look closer at the area next to your keyframes. Pull the left circle down towards the other, then pull on the right circle and do the same thing until it forms a nice rounded peak. Preview your video to see the smooth movement of your graphics with the Motion Blur effect. That's how you add smooth movement to your graphics with Motion Blur in Adobe Premiere Pro.